Hi guys, welcome to Lancaster Automart. This is Danny. Here we are at our site on a lovely grey day, along with our partners at Lancaster Volkswagen. And we have for you the MG GS 1.5 TGI Exclusive, 7-speed manual, one previous owner, and low mileage. Metallic silver with alloys and silver roof bars. So if you've got any queries or questions about this particular car, please don't hesitate to contact us, visit us online, send us an email, give us a call, or pop down and see us. We'll only be too happy to help with any questions you might have. Or we can do a personal walk around video with you. So if you've got anything specific you want to have a look at, we can do the video for you and tailor that to your needs. Look inside, full leather interior trim. Like I say, if you've got any questions or queries, don't hesitate to contact us. Go online, send us an email, give us a call, or pop down and see us. We'll give you the keys, you can take it for a test drive. Cheers guys.